My name is Emily and I'm from the Wapiti Regional Library. Today's Creative Corner is these monster masks. If you want to learn how to make these monster masks, then keep watching. What you'll need for these monster masks are plates, paper or styrofoam, construction paper of your choice. I have white and black paper so that I can make eyes, scissors, a skewer or a straw, pipe cleaners, optional, glue, and markers. Next, you're going to cut your plate in half. Have a grown-up help you with cutting it in half if you need. Have your grown-up also help you trace eye holes. Either your mask can have 2 eye holes, or like mine, you can make one giant hole as a mouth to see from. Get your grown-up to help you cut it out if you need help. After that, you're free to color your mask however you'd like. In my case, my mask is a styrofoam plate, so it needs a moment to dry. You can use this time to make some eyes. This can be done using googly eyes, but I want big monster eyes, so I'm going to make them out of paper. My video cut out here, so I hope you enjoy watching me glue them onto the paper plate later. In the meantime, you can use construction paper or your pipe cleaners to cut and make different details for your monster. In my case, I wanted to give my monster purple spikes. But you can make a tail, ears, or even hair. Once you have all of your pieces cut out and your mask is dry, you can glue your pieces onto the mask, including your eyes, your tail, or your stripes. I decided to also give my monster some teeth. Once you've glued all of your pieces to your mask, let it dry. Once your mask is dry, flip over the mask and so that you're looking at the back of it where your face will be. Do you know which one is your dominant hand? Whichever hand you draw with the most, take your skewer or your straws and you're going to take some tape and glue or tape your skewer or straw to that side so that your dominant hand is the one that will be holding the skewer. An alternative, if that is a little bit floppy, you can take another straw or skewer and attach it to the other side so you have two things to hold onto your mask with. This method might be best for those using straws that are a little too floppy to hold the mask by themselves. Now you have a monster mask. Go and scare or make some jokes and scare your siblings. Hi guys! I hope you had so much fun making these monster masks. Grrr! And I hope that you guys join me next time for another creative